Hi students, this video I'm going to explain you the chapter statistics. Okay, there are three exercises in the chapter. First exercise is of finding the mean deviation using mean and mean deviation using median both, and we'll have both finding the mean and median using both group data and ungrouped data. You'll understand. I think when we do the problems, you can easily identify the formula. Here the problems are given in such a way that two similar problems are given for practice also. Okay, let us start with the first one. Exercise 15.1. Exercise 15.1. They are given. This is an ungrouped data. You have to find out the mean deviation about mean. Mean deviation about mean. First of all, we have to find out the mean. 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 17. These are the observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there are 8 observations. You have to find out mean deviation about mean. First of all, let us find out mean. How to find out mean? Mean is nothing but the sum of the observations by number of observations. Number of observations. Okay, this is nothing but just add them. 4 plus 11, 11 plus 8, 19, 28, 38, 50, 63 and 80 out of 8. It becomes 10. So this is mean. So mean we take it as x bar. Now for an ungrouped data, this is an ungrouped data. Mean deviation we write it as MD for the next problem onwards. Mean deviation about mean for ungrouped data is given by 1 by n, where n is the number of observations. You can write this as 1 by n into sigma xi. Xi is the sigma means sum of all. So here 1 by n sigma xi minus x bar modulus. Modulus means even if you get, this is the difference actually. The difference of the observation with the mean everything. That is nothing but mean deviation. Deviation means the difference. So you have to find out the difference of every observation with the mean. That's it. So 1 by 8 of, see, subtract x bar from each and everything, and you have to write only the positive because it is magnitude, modulus. So 4 minus 10, it is minus 6, but we write 6. 7 minus 10, 3. 8 minus 10, 2. 9 minus 10, 1. 10 minus 10, 0. 12 minus 10, 2. 13 minus 10, 3. 17 minus 10, 7. You are not supposed to write negative values. Okay. It becomes 9 plus 2, 11, 12, 14, 17, 24 divided by 8. And the answer is 3. So this is mean deviation about mean. Right. See the second problem of the same model, mean deviation about mean only. So let us do first mean. Mean x bar is equal to 1 by n sigma xi. So 1 by, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 by 10 of, let us add all. Okay, 4 plus 4, 8, 14, 17, 22, 24, 32, 40. 8 plus 5, 13, 17, 23, 28, 32, 36, 40, 47, 50. 50, you can cancel this. So mean is 50. Now, mean deviation about mean is equal to 1 by n sigma mod xi minus x bar. Here x bar is 50. So 1 by 10 of, let us subtract 50 from each and everything, and it should be in modulus, which is not negative. So 38 minus 50, 12, 20, 2, 10. See, this minus 50, this minus 50, this minus 50, this minus 50. And 42 minus 50, 8, 5, 13, 4, 6, and 44, 6. Oh, this is not 6, this is 4. 54 minus 50 is 4. 46 minus 50, 63 minus 50. Okay, now it becomes 1 by 10 of, let us add all this. 32, 34, 44, 52, 57, 70, 74, 78, plus 6, 84. 84 divided by 10, it is 8.4. Okay. Now, mean deviation about median. So, first of all, what we have to find out? We have to find out median. this is an ungrouped data. Suppose if you are given an ungrouped data, how to find out median? First, let us write down all observation in ascending or descending order. Let us write ascending order. The least one is 10, 10. Okay, 10. After that, 11, 11 occurring twice. 10 over, 11, 11 over. Next, 12, 12. Okay, once only 12. Next, 13. 13 is occurring twice. 13 is over, 13 is over. Next, 13, 13, 13, 14. 14 is coming. Next, 16. 17 occurring twice. 17, 17. And 18. No, 16 is occurring twice. 16, 16, 17, 17. And 18. So let us count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 observations are there. Now what is the median? Actually, median will be the, suppose if there are odd terms, if n is odd, median is equal to m plus 1 by 2th term. If n is even, median is equal to the average of n by 2 comma n by 2 plus 1th term. We have to take the average of. Average is nothing but mean. Okay. So let us remove what are n by 2 term here. N is 12. So 12 by 2 is 6th term. And 12 by 2 plus 1, 7th term. We have to take average of 6th and 7th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6th and 7th term. Okay. That means you have to take the average of these two. So median is equal to 13 plus 14 by 2. It is nothing but 13.5. Now, what is mean deviation about median? Mean deviation about median is equal to 1 by n sigma mod, same, xi minus median, and it should be in modulus. Same like that. Here it is 1 by n is 1 by 12. Let us take, we have to subtract 13.5 from every observation with simple change. Okay, 13.5, 10 minus 13.5, 3.5, 11 minus 13, 2.5, 2.5, 1.5, 0.5, 13 minus 13, 0.5 again, and 0.5 again, 16 minus 13.5, 2.5, 2.5, 17 minus 13.5, 3.5, 3.5 plus 4.5. Let us add, it becomes 1 by 12 of, how many are there? So let us take 0.5, 12.5s are plus 6. We take plus 6. Let us add all the integers. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7, 8. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 6, 18 plus 4, 22 plus 12 halves, 28. It becomes 2.60. 12 2s are 24. 40 will be there. 12 3s are 36. Again 40 will be there, 33. So 2.33. Okay. See, fourth question is also same thing. Mean deviation about median. Let us find out median first. To find out median, let us write in ascending order. Ascending order, what is the least among them? 36. 36. Next, after 36, it is 42. 42. After 42, it will be 42, 42, 42, 45. And 46 occurring twice. 46, 46. Next, it is 49. After 49, it is 51. After 51, it is 53. 53 and 53. 53. After 53, it is 60. 60 and it is 72. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Median. Here also we are having even number of observations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, even number of observations. So we take 1, 2, 3, 4. The average of these two. So what is the average of these two? 46 plus 49 by 2. It is 5. 95 by 2. It becomes 47.5. 47.5. So mean deviation about median is equal to 1 by n sigma mod xi minus median. Let us subtract 47.5 from each term. So 1 by 10 of, okay, 36 minus 47.5, 11.5, 5.5, 2.5, 1.5, 1.5, 49 minus again 1.5, 51, no, okay, 3.5, 3.5, and again this 5.5, 5.5, again this 16, no, 2.5 and 5, 12.5, 72 minus this 24.5, I think. Yeah, 24.5. Let us add all these. 1 by 10 of 10 5s, 0.5 is 10.5 is 10. Let us add integers. 11 plus 5, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 24, 29, 31, 41, 41 plus 45 and 20, 65 plus 5, 70. 70 by 10 is 7, right? Okay, see the fifth one. Again, this is the group data with without class intervals and x's. All x's are given, fi are given, and mean deviation about mean. Mean deviation about mean. How to find out this? And when you have frequencies, no, we take capital N. We don't take small n as the number of observations. Capital N is nothing but sum of the frequencies. What is sum of the frequencies here? 11 plus 6, 17, 20, 25. Capital N is 25. And the formula is 1 by capital N, when frequency is there, sigma fi into mod xi minus mean. Mean means x bar. So first of all, you have to find out x bar. How to find out x bar in group data like this when xi are given? We have to take fi xi. It is easy if you take like this, okay? Let us multiply these two. 35, 40, 90, 60, 125. Let's add this. It is nothing but sigma fi xi. So 5, 5, 10, 3, 9, 18, 22, 25, 3, 350. So mean will be equal to, first mean x bar equal to 1 by capital N sigma fi xi, 1 by 25 to 350. So it becomes 25 into 4, 12, 14, 25 into 14. So mean is 14. After that, what we need mod xi minus x bar also, no? So first we find xi minus x bar mod. Then we go with fi into mod xi minus x. This will be easy to calculate. Because we need this, no? We take from here sigma fi into mod xi minus x bar from this column. First let us subtract 14 from all x's. 5 minus 14, 9, 4, 15 minus 14, 1, 6, 25 minus 14, 11. Okay, now fi into this. 63, 4 4s are 16, 6 1s are 6, 3 6 are 18, 5 11s, 55. If you add this, you will get this. 9, 15, 23, 28, 7, 8, 9, 15. 158. It becomes 1 by 25 of 158. It becomes 6.80 will be there. 3, 2. 6.32. Let me check it once. Yes, perfect. It is 6.32. Okay. See, next 6 questions also we do the same process to find out the mean first. So let us do fi xi and capital N first of all. This is 8, 16, 22, 30, 4 plus 4, 80. N is capital N is 80. fi xi 40, 720, 5 8s. 1400, 7642, 1120, 720. Again, let us add this 0, 6, plus 4, 10 again, 9 plus 4, 13, 20, this is 4000. So mean is equal to 1 by capital N sigma Fixi. This is nothing but sigma Fixi. So it becomes 1 by 80 of 4000. Can you cancel? 850. So mean x bar is 50. X bar is 50. Now, what we need? We need xi minus x bar. Then fi into mod xi minus x bar. Okay? So xi minus x bar. 50, subtract 50 from here with modulus. 40, 20, 0, 20, 40. Now with fi into this 160, 24 into 20, 480, this is 0, this is 320, this is 320. Let us add these 0, 14, 4, 18, 6 plus 1, 7, 8, 12, 1, 2, 8, 0. Now mean deviation, this is what? Sigma fi into mod xi minus x bar. Mean deviation is 1 by capital N sigma fi into mod xi minus x bar. 1 by capital N. Capital N will be 80 into 1280. You can cancel this. 8 ones are 8, 48, 86. So answer is 60. So let's see. Yes, it is 60. Okay. Right. See this seventh problem. Mean deviation about median. Mean deviation about median in group data. Same formula we apply with 1 by n sigma fi into mod xi minus median. So how to find out median here in group data, like when xi frequencies are given. First of all, capital N, it is 14, 16, 18, 20, 26. Okay, find the cumulative frequency here. What is the cumulative frequency here? Just continuous how we did in 10th class. 8 plus 6, 14, 16, 18, 20, 26. See n by 2 value, 26 by 2 it is 13. And how to take median here when class intervals are not given, when only x's are given. You just check the cumulative frequency where the cumulative frequency just exceeds n by 2. Where it is exceeding n by 2? Here it is exceeding n by 2. Then you can take this median. So median is equal to 7. Median is 7 here. When median is 7, the same process we do. Mod xi minus median, and after that fi into mod xi minus median, and we apply here. Xi minus median means 5 minus 7, 2, 0, 2, 3, 5, 8. Now fi into this 16, 0, 4, 6, 10, 48. Now when you add this 20, 26, 36, 44 plus 40, 84. It becomes 1 by 26 of 84. 2 13s, 2 42s. 13 3s are 39. 40 again 13 3s 39. 1 will be there. You can write 1 0. Just you can write 3.31. You can leave that. Okay. This problem is also same, to find out the median and mean deviation about median. So let us find out 1 by n sigma mod fi into mod xi minus median. So first of all, capital N is required here in median. So when you add this 8, 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 29. Now cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is 3, 3 plus 5, 8 plus 6, 14 plus 7, 21, 29. Now take n by 2. Where is n by 2? 29 by 2, it is 14.5. Where is it exceeding 14.5? So it is exceeding 14.5 here. So we take this one as a median class, and this is the median. What is median here now? Median equal to 30. So we take mod xi minus median, and after that fi into mod xi minus median. Now it becomes mod xi minus median 15 minus 30, 30, 9, 27 minus 33, 0, 5. Now, F into this, 90, 45, 18, 0, 40. Now, when you add this, you will get this value. 13, 5 plus 1, 6, 10, 19, 193. So, it becomes 1 by 29 into 193. When you calculate it, it becomes 29 into something like, I think the answer is given. into 5, sir. How much it will be? 5 9s 45. 140. It should be 5.1. Where somewhere we did wrong. Just a minute. Okay, I did wrong here. When 30 is the median, 15 minus 30 it is 15. I wrote 30. Very sorry. The calculation went wrong there. 15, this is 9 okay, 3 okay, 0 okay, 5 okay. Now 15 into this Fi. 3 into 15 it is 45. Now it becomes 90 plus 18. 90 plus 18, 108. 108 plus 40, 148. Now it becomes 148 by 29. It becomes 5 point something. Because 29 5s are 145. 30 will be there. You can write 1. 5.1, you can leave like that. Okay. Now here it is group data to find out mean deviation from mean only. So we'll find out mean, but when class intervals are there, we do X. First of all, capital N. Let us find out capital N here. 12, 21, 31, 38, 43 plus 7, 50. N is 50. Xi means mid value of class intervals. 50, 150, 250, 350. 450, 550, 650, 750. Shall we go with the shortcut method to find out the mean, step deviation method, or you can go with the direct method. The direct method is very big calculation, will be there. If you find, then we go with the FIXI. Let us find out the median. Sorry, mean. 4 into 50, 200. 8 into 150, 800, 85 is 40. It was 1200. Now 9 into 250, 900, 95 is 45, 92 is 18, 225, 350, 3500, 700, 75 is 35, 74 is 28, 315, 5 into 5, 5 is 25, 25 plus 2, 27, 4 into 650, 2800, then 2600. Yeah, 3 into 750, 300, 35 is 15, 2250. Now add these all 0, 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 10, 17, 18, 23, 25, 29, 3, 3, 6 plus 3, 9 plus 8, 2, 3, 4, 9 plus 8, 17. 17900. So mean is equal to 17900 by 50. It becomes 5 3 is 15, 29, 5 5 is 25, 40. 358 is the mean. So x bar is 358. Next we need xi minus x bar. After that fi into mod fi into mod xi minus x bar. Then we go with the formula. So xi minus x bar. So 50 minus 358. It will be 308. $150 minus 358. It will be 208. It will be 250 minus 358. It will be 108. 350, it is 8. 450 minus 358, I think 92. Is it 92 or 102? Which will get 450, 358. 92. 92, 550 minus 358, 192, 650, 292, 750 minus 392. Let us add all this. Okay. Now multiply this with F. 4 into 308. 4 8 is 32. 2432. 8 into this. 8 8 is 64. 8 2 is 16. 9 into this. 72. 9 72. 10 into this. 80. 7 into this. 7 2 is 14. 63 plus 1 64. 5 into this. 5 2 is 10. 5 9 is 45 plus 1 46. 960. 4 into this. 4 2 is 8. 4 9 is 36. Plus 3 11. 3 into this. 3 2 is 6. 3 9 is 27. 3 3 is 9. 1176. Let us add all this. It becomes 6 plus 2, 8, 12, 20, 26. It becomes 9 plus 6, 15, 21, 25, 33, 40, 46, 49. Again it becomes 5, 6, 6, 15, 15 plus 6, 21, 30, 36, plus 4, 40, 5, 6, 7, 7096. Okay. Let us calculate it once again. Now 5, 6, 15, 21, 30, 40. Here we did one wrong here. This is 4 into 308 wrong. It is 1232. Put it down here. Let us add once again. I'm sorry. Now 6, 8, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 8, 20, 26. 26. And 9 plus 6, 15, 21, 25, 33, 40, 46, 49. 5, 6, 15, 21, 30, 36, 38. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 6, 7. 7 8. This is right. Now, mean deviation about mean. Mean is equal to 1 by capital N sigma Fi into mod xi minus mean. That means 1 by 50 into 7896. So, we just divide with 5. 5 ones are 5, 28, 5 5 is 25, 39, 5 7 is 35, 36, 5 7 is 35, 10.2 by 10. If I divide with 5, it becomes 157.72. Let us check the answer once. Yeah, 157.92. He has taken 9 here. I think this is 5 ones are 5, 28, 5 2 or 5 5 is 25, 39, 5 7 is 35, 46. Yes, it is 9. 157.92. This is 9. Okay. Yes, this is also 9 problem. Mean deviation about mean from group data. So let us find out capital N first. It becomes 12, 18, 20, 3, 4, 7, 3, 10, 100. So let us find out xi also to find out the mean. Xi is 95, 200 by 2, 100. This will be 120, 220 by 2, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. So let us do Fi xi also to find out the mean. It's a 900. 13 into 11, 1430. 26 into 12, 12 6 are 72. 12 2s are 24, 3120. 13 into 3, 3900. 12 14s, 12 4s are 48. 1680. This becomes 1500. fi xi, let's add these 0, 5 plus 8 13, 6 plus 6 12 plus 9 21, 22, 26, 35. This become 4 5 plus 7 12, 12 5 30. Let us see whether it is right or not. So these are the values. So mean x bar is equal to 12530 by 100. It becomes 125.3. Now we go with xi minus x bar, and after that fi into mod xi minus x bar. Let us find the values. Xi minus x bar 125. Decimals are there. You should be little careful. Xi 100 minus 125.3. It will become 25.3. 110 minus, it becomes 15.3. It becomes 5.3. Now it becomes 130, no? 4.7. Next 140, 14.7. And this becomes 24.7. Now you have to multiply this with f. This with f. Let us multiply 9 3 is 27. 9 5 is 45 plus 2 47. 9 2 is 18 plus 4 167.7. Now 13 into this. I'll multiply this and I'll put it here. Just a minute. I've did all this instead of wasting time because of the space here. So I did all this, and this is what sigma fi into mod xi minus x bar. Now mean deviation about median is equal to, mean about mean equal to 1 by capital N sigma mod fi into mod xi minus mean. So 1 by 100 into this value is 1128.8. It becomes 112. Just a minute. No, it becomes 11.288. Okay. Now it is to find the mean deviation about a median in group data. So you know the formula of finding the median. First let us find out capital N. 14, 18, 24 plus 6, 30, 50. N is 50 and cumulative frequency is required to find out the median. 6, 14, 28, 44, 48 and 50. So median will be L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay. Now what is L here? Find out the median class. What is N by 2 here? N by 2 is 25. Where it is crossing 25, that is the median class. In this you will have L, this is F, and the frequency just above cumulative frequency is CF. This is CF. Okay. Now let us find out median. Using this formula, median is equal to L 20 plus N by 2. N by 2 is 25 minus 14 by F. F is, CF is 14 into H. H is 10. Now it becomes 20 plus, it becomes 11 by 14 into 10. So it becomes 2 7s, 2 5s, 55 by 7. 55 by 7 becomes 7 7s, 49, 67.8, 7.8. It becomes 27.8 is the median. Okay. Now he has taken 27.85. Now what are the table required here? Xi minus median and also fi into mod xi minus median. Now I'll calculate all this and I'll put it there. Just a minute. Yes, to find out this we need xi, no? Okay, let us put xi value here. No problem, we'll take xi here. When you take xi, it becomes 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. Now xi minus median. 5 minus 27.85, it becomes 22.85. Like that we do all. Now look here, these I have calculated, I kept here because of very time waste, because I have to multiply and I have to do the year. So I did all this, okay. But you have to do carefully. Now 1 by capital N sigma Fi into mod Xi minus median. That means 1 by 50 into this value is 517.1. Now you can take this as the 5 ones are 5 or 51.71 by 5. So it becomes 5 tens 50 8. Sorry. 5 3 is 15, 21, 5. 10.34 is the answer. Okay, this is the problem here. It is a discontinuous series given here. When a discontinuous series is given now, we have to rewrite the table. That means one difference is there here. We add 0.5 to the upper limit and subtract 0.5 from the lower limit. So it becomes class interval, we rewrite. It becomes 15.5 to 21.5. And 20.5 to 20.5 to 25.5, 25.5 to 30.5, 30.5 to 35.5, adding to upper limit, subtracting from lower limit, and the h difference will change. Here the h was 4 actually, but here h will be 5 now. 35.5 to 40.5, 40.5 to 45.5, 45.5 to 50.5, 50.5 to 55.5 Now the problem starts again. Class interval, let us write xi also because we need xi. Xi will be 20, 35, 36 by 2, it is 18, 25, 45, 46 by 2, 23. Next one will be 28. Next one will be 33, 38, 43, 48, 53. Okay, now let us find out capital N also. Capital N is 11, 13, 17, 23, 25, 31, 40, 5, 6 plus 4, 100. N is 100. Let us find out cumulative frequency also to find out the median. 5, 11, 23, 37, 63, 75, 91, 100. Now, what is n by 2? N by 2 is 50. Where it is crossing 50 here? So, this is the one. So, from here we take all the values. This is L, this is CF, and this is F. So, what is median? Let us find out median here. Median. I am doing directly L. L is 35.5 plus N by 2. N by 2 means 50 minus CF 37 by F is 38 into H. H is 5 here. It is 5 here. Now it becomes 35.5 plus 13 into 5, 65 by 38. 38. It becomes 38, 5.5 plus 38 ones are 35, 38 to 76. So it becomes 1 point. When you subtract 38 here, 22, 27 you get. I'm sorry, I took again F is wrong. F is from frequency, no? It should be from F. F is 26 here, I'm sorry. It should be frequency we have taken from X. Okay. Now 26. It is 26 here. That means 13 2s, 13 5s, it is 2.5. 2.5, it becomes 38. So, median will be 38 now. Now, we have to take mod xi minus median and fi into mod xi minus median. Fi into. So, first xi minus median 38. So, xi are here. So, 18 minus 38 is 20. 23 minus 38, 15. 28 minus 38, 10, 33 minus 38, 5, 38, 0, 43 minus 5, 10, 53 minus 38, 50. Now we take Fi into this, F into this, 5 into 20, 100, 6 into 15, 90, 120, 70, 0, 12 into 5, 60, 16 into 10, 160, 9 into 15, 135. Now, Let us add on this. It becomes 5. 9 plus 11, 18, 24, 30, 33, 4, 5, 6, 7. 735. Now, mean deviation about median is equal to 1 by capital N sigma fi into mod xi minus median. So 1 by n is 100 here and it is 735. So it becomes 7.35 is the mean deviation about median. Yes, it is right. Okay, all the best guys.